Now we're adding a fraction to a mixed number. But to add fractions, we need denominators to be the same. Now 30 is in both the 5 and the 6 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 3/5 and 1/6, which have denominators of 30. 5 times 6 is 30, 3 times 6 is 18, 6 times 5 is 30, 1 times 5 is 5. So instead of 1 and 3/5, we can have 1 and 18 over 30, and instead of adding 1/6, we can add 5 over 30. So the 1 whole stays the same, we keep the denominator of our fraction the same, and 18 plus 5 is 23. So we have 1 and 23 over 30, and that's our answer. Now 2 and 1/3 plus 3/5. We need the denominators to be the same, and 15 is in both the 3 and the 5 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 1/3 and 3/5, which have a denominator of 15. 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 3 is 9. So instead of 2 and 1/3, we can write 2 and 5 over 15, and instead of adding 3/5, we can add 9 over 15. The only whole number we have is 2, the denominator stays the same, and 5 plus 9 is 14. So we have 2 and 14 over 15 as our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.